The Indian Defense Research Wing reported that the Indian Air Force is evaluating the purchase of 12 retired Mirage 2005 fighter jets from Qatar, though negotiations have encountered difficulties over pricing. The discussions, initiated after the jets were offered in June 2024, are driven by the IAF's need to replace its retiring MiG fighters and improve its combat capabilities. The Qatari Mirage 2005s, which have been upgraded to current standards, could enhance the IAF's existing fleet of 2 Mirage 2000 squadrons. Qatar's Mirage 2005 aircraft, consisting of 9 single-seaters and 3 two-seaters, were originally delivered in 1997. These aircraft have been maintained in a way that allows for substantial remaining operational life. Despite Qatar's decision to retire these aircraft, they remain in good condition. Price remains a significant sticking point in the negotiations. Qatar is asking for approximately $49,920,000 per aircraft, while the IAF is seeking a price closer to $36 million per aircraft, which would include spare engines and additional Mica air-to-air missiles. The decision on whether to proceed with the procurement of the Qatari Mirage 2000s will depend on the IAF's analysis of cost-effectiveness, operational compatibility, and long-term strategic objectives. Negotiations continue, with both sides working to reach an agreement that addresses India's fighter jet needs within its budget constraints. If the deal with Qatar is finalized, the IAF's Mirage 2000 fleet would increase to 60 aircraft. In the early 1980s, India sought to counter Pakistan's acquisition of F-16 fighters by acquiring a comparable aircraft. After reviewing available options, India chose the Mirage 2000 based on its design and performance. In 1982, an order for 36 Mirage 2000H and 4 Mirage 2000TH aircraft was placed with Dassault, and deliveries occurred between 1985 and 1994. The Mirage 2000 became an integral part of the IAF's fleet. In 2011, India approved an upgrade of its Mirage 2000 fleet to the Mirage 2005 Mk2 standard, adding improvements to avionics, radar, electronic warfare systems, and the integration of Mica missiles. The Mirage 2000 is a single-seat multi-role fighter, powered by a Snecma M53P2 afterburning turbofan engine, providing 64.3 knots of thrust dry and 95.1 knots with afterburner. The aircraft can reach a maximum speed of Mach 2.2 at high altitude, has a range of 1,550 kilometers, and a service ceiling of 17,060 meters.